Friends, today I'm going to show that how to get rid of captcha on Omegle. Friends, to get rid of captcha on Omegle is an easy process. Friends, please watch the whole video and don't miss anything. And after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, first method you have to apply, you have to restart your router. Then you have to check if the problem has been fixed or not. If not, then you have to reset internet router by settings, my friends. Then you have to check if the problem has been fixed or not. If not, then you have to go for the second method. For the second method, you have to clear browsing history. So open your browser, then you have to click on triple dot at the top right corner, then click on settings. Then my friends, you have to click on privacy and security. Then you have to click on clear browsing data. Then you have to select advanced and you have to select on time range, my friends. And also if you want, you can select which one you need from here. Then you have to select on drop down sign. And you can select which one you need. So I want to select 24 hours, then click on clear data, and it is clearing, my friends. Done. So friends, like this, if you want, you can check, you can get rid of captcha on Omegle. Friends, after doing the settings, check if problem has been fixed or not. If not, then you have to use a VPN, my friends. Add a VPN on your extensions. After that, connect it with the browser. Then you can check if problem has been fixed or not. Hope so it will be fixed, my friends. So friends, like this, if you want, you can get rid of captcha on Omegle. Friends, to get rid of captcha on Omegle, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.